Welcome back to another MISys video. Today we're going to be talking about how to receive items without a PO. Alright, so can we receive without creating a PO? The answer is yes, but you may not want to do that, but we'll show you how to anyway. And so where we start is we come here to stock control, come down here to stock transfer, and we go to supplier transfers. And we receive and return from supplier. So if we got our item, which let's get oranges. All right, and then we can associate it with a job number and job number OJ making. And location 1, bin number if we need to put in bin number, supplier number, and we got those from Vulcan and Sons, and quantity. So we can show up our lot quantity, which is 1, but let's say that we received 100. Now we also have to put in the unit cost because obviously we just received it, so we have to put in our cost. And we can put a comment in for whatever reason and click receive. Okay. Now it's received into the system, and we'll show you what actually happens. So if we come down here to accounting and we come in here to our sub ledger, and actually let's show the actual chart of account first, which this is actually where it went into. 2018 is the manufacturer supplier liability. And so when we come into our sub ledger, so what we'll do is we'll come into journal right here, and if we hit preview, this is all unposted transactions. So if we hit preview, it'll generate our report. And come up here, I just know it's on page 11. And if you look down here, this is where it shows up. Alright, so then how we post it is we come up here to period end, hit post, and it'll show up. Now this right here, this is also what we just, the report that we just ran, is the print unposted. So here it is again. And then how we send it over to the accounting software is we click post, and it posts it to the accounting software, and then from there then we can create our bill and go forward. If any of that was helpful, please like, share, subscribe, comment below, let us know what else we can help you with.